Hail, hail, alma mater, hail to De La Salle. We'll hold your banner high and bright, a shield.
Hello? Pa,
Anak, I know it's hard, pero maybe it's time to consider transferring schools now. It's not like you're gonna be stuck there forever.
Imong room kay left wing 304. Then you should follow the rules, ha? You need to respect. Mo respeto ka, at the same time dapat disiplinado ka sa dorm, okay? Or else
So, good morning everyone. New student for today. This is Jason. I hope you treat him well and you go along with each other.
Natulog. Gusto ka ba matulog? Ano yung tulog ka? Mawala yung
please get a piece of paper.
Nasa tayo ba kung practical, sir? Agad-agad? Magpapagaling na ito mag-ani? Di ba next week pa man ang deadline, ana?
Okay, unahan sa nato research of skill. This week na baya. Di pod kaya buhato nato at once. Need yun na yung sacrifice.
Hi guys! Kumusta this visit?
Karoon pa lagi ka. Ikaw itong bago, di ba? Kasama na.
Si Jason eh, katong transfer bitaw. Ikan Lasal. Hi everyone!
Sugod na klase. Bye guys. Good luck.
Prepare for a quiz.
Please help me! At tawag kong goals for at least ako yung chance makapasa.
Pero na bayad. Sa mandil.
I don't have money nga, di ba? My allowance is only set for my meals. Is there a way I can make money here?
Scarcity. Yun ang gustong paliton pero gamay sa kwarta. Welcome to real life!
Hi, so need me like subject para sa mong vlog. We plan na unta ikaw. Pwede ra. It's like unsay unique sa imo story lang nimo. Pwede.
Don't worry, chill ra. We'll also be guiding you. Bayaran pa ka na mo, 100 per day. Jira ka? It's a win-win. Makapasa may project, tas makakwarta pa ka.
Win-win, ha? Alright. When will we start?
Nice! Let's start now. 3, 2,
Right now? Hi, my name is Jason and this is my life as a Pisay scholar. Balik ba?
Moving back to Colorado, it's 2013 and the end of my life. Freshman year's about to plummet just a little harder, but it didn't cause we kissed on the Halloween night. When I saw Zoe on your Vespa, it's always from 3% per hour, said thanks to you. I needed a good cry, I had to cry too. To God that you were strong.
Kahit na may vlog at eh. Pag-wave.
To our vlog.
High school in Jakarta, sort of modern Sparta. Had no chance against the teenage suburban armadas. Thanks to tight like fire.
How's Pisay life so far?
good. I've enjoyed it so far.
What do you like most about Pisay?
The people are very nice to me. It's like an incentive that makes up for the stress.
Okay, so ada na sa glitter paper para masyada. Sa 50 naman. Pero what if ba nga? Parang yung tag-score, balag 9 glitter or wala. Tapos buga na ito na 50 pesos sa tandas. Kasi mas lang po, marginal kasi, marginal benefit. So,
high school in Jakarta, sort of modern Sparta. Had no chance against the teenage suburban armadas. We were synonymous, thanks to tight and fathers.
Do you miss home?
High school in Jakarta.
Okay na ni?